In this video, I'm going to talk about what is New York DBL, how much does it cost, how do you get it, why do you need it, and I'm also going to talk about how do you integrate New York Paid Family Leave, or PFL, with DBL. So you may be looking for New York DBL and you have a question on DBL or PFL regarding the cost, the benefits, how do you get it, and I'm going to answer those questions coming right up. Okay, to start off with, this conversation applies to any employer with employees in New York. DBL, or Disability Benefits Law, is unique to New York and it is mandatory. What does it cover? Well, New York DBL covers lost wages that result from an injury or illness that occur off the job, pretty much the opposite of workers' compensation. DBL does not cover medical bills or hospitalizations, only lost wages due to off-the-job injuries and illnesses. Disability benefits under DBL, which stands for Disability Benefits Law, which I mentioned a minute ago, is short-term in nature and provides up to 26 weeks of benefits in any 52-week year. The benefits that an injured employee gets is based on what benefit level an employer chooses to purchase. The basic benefit level, or the minimum mandatory benefit an employer must purchase, is equal to 50% of the average weekly wage of an employee based on their last 4 weeks prior to the disability, subject to a maximum of $170 a week. So it's pretty measly, which is why many employers choose to increase the benefit level up in multiples, like 2 times, 3 times, and so forth, all the way to 5 times the basic benefit level. What does it cost? Well, there are about 20 insurance companies that write DBL in New York, with a handful, like 6 or 7, that write the lion's share of the DBL premium. All insurers offer different rates and mostly will charge a flat monthly rate per male employee and a different rate per female employee. Because pregnancy is covered, female rates are higher. Some insurance companies will charge a rate per $100 of payroll regardless of male and female employees based on the size of your company. But when it comes to cost, there are some variations in the rates that you'll find online. If you haven't had a rate comparison done in a while, it makes sense to contact a broker like me who can work the entire DBL marketplace for you and potentially even negotiate with your current DBL insurer for a better rate. The bottom line on cost is that looking at this every few years with an expert makes sense, as this can add up the larger your firm gets. Also, keep in mind that cost is a function of benefit level. The higher the benefit level, the higher your cost will be. But you're providing your employees an important protection program from lost income from off-the-job injuries. How do you get DBL? Like I said, you can buy it from your insurance broker that handles the rest of your business insurance, but if you haven't had a review of that in a while, it may make sense to get a second opinion from an outside expert like me. Okay, now on to Paid Family Leave, or PFL. PFL was combined into each employer's DBL policy when it was introduced in 2017, and covers a portion of an employee's salary when they go on leave for any of the 3 reasons. The first one is bonding with a new child. The second one is caring for a family member with a serious health condition, or caring for a military family member injured during active duty, or for number 3, urgent military leave. Effective in 2022, the benefit level for PFL is 67% of wages to a maximum of $1,068.36 per week, and it has a duration of 12 weeks. Lastly, employees pay the full cost of PFL in New York. That's a quick rundown of New York DBL and PFL insurance. Have other questions I didn't answer here? Would you like to get an alternate quote for your company's DBL? Why not contact me? I'm Gordon Coyle, and let's discuss how we can help you. My contact info is coming right up, and it can also be found in the description box below. I look forward to speaking with you, and I promise when you call, no high pressure sales gimmicks or anything like that. Thanks for watching this, and if you got value out of this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks.